Okay, so today our part of speech that we want to discuss is the verb. Yesterday we talked about nouns. I'm going to do a quick review with you. A noun definition is a person, place, thing, or idea. Please make sure that you can think of an example of each of those items. A person could be a boy. A place could be school. A thing could be dog. An idea could be happiness or freedom. Always try to make sure you have a good example in mind for those. I would like you to be able to identify nouns within a sentence, and I would also like you to be able to write your own sentences that include nouns. Yesterday you did a great job of that. I think most people feel very confident with nouns. If we move on to verbs, and you open up that part of speech document or your writing notebook, it can be found in several different places, you will see that verbs follows nouns. The definition: a verb expresses action or state of being. A lot of times we're very good about knowing that a verb expresses action, but we're not as good about knowing that it expresses state of being. And I'll explain that a little bit here in a second. We're comfortable with those action verbs: jump, sleep, eat, play. Anything that shows that you are doing an action is an action verb. Here's an example sentence. Langston Hughes wrote volumes of poetry. Wrote is the action verb. We physically have to do it, okay? A state of being verb, I typically want to remind you, a lot of times is the word is, I-S. If you can't remember any other state of being verb, please remember is. Here's an example. John G. Neihart is Nebraska's poet laureate. Some people, I ask them, where's the verb in that sentence? And they can't find it because they're looking for an action verb. Is a non-action state of being verb. And later, when you watch my next video, we will talk about what non-action verbs are. You need to remember that the definition includes an action or a state of being. When I ask you about the definition, I need both of those items. So please make sure you understand it shows action or state of being. You are needing to know how to identify a verb in a sentence and also how to create your own sentences that include all types of verbs. Now you'll be watching a Schoolhouse Rock video, and when you're done with that, you'll come back to me and I will talk to you about the 3 types of verbs. Thank you.